Hello there, people of the interwebs. I just wish to say that I can do some wicked cool barky noises. For anyone that wants some sound effects in that sort of way. Granted, I am not good at making growling noises for anything, but I do have different pitches for barkling. Yes, that is now a new word. Enjoy that. I can bark, I can howl, and pretty much do different things. Like I can, make it seem more playful maybe if you need it, but not. But I'm pretty much just doing this as a sound effect thing. If anyone needs it for any animation or whatnot, I will be more than happy to. I am going to put a link in the descriptions of where to reach me if you ever need anything of this sort. Uh, so without further ado, I shall do some pretty much warm ups. I guess I'm gonna just do random little barks. I apologize, RIP headphone users, if this is too loud. I will put a warning if it's if it's too loud. I apologize, but I am warning you that I have really loud barks for one. But I can do probably softer ones. I mean, granted, I have not done enough to know if I can or not. So, like I said, this is pretty much a sound effect to test. And here goes. And I guess that's all I got. I don't know what others wants to do. But like I said, if for any reason, for animation purposes, or you just need it in general for some weird thing, you guys can contact me. I will put the links in the description below. And I guess have a great day, because all I want to see is a smile on your face. Thanks, everyone.